Good morning, students. Last class, exercise 3.7, example sum, one sum only balance. This sum only balance. Then this exercise 10th sum and this sum, same sum. After I will take. Now I start the exercise sum. Exercise 3.7, filling the blanks. The solution of the equation ax plus b equal to 0 is dash. Ax plus b equal to 0. Ax equal to, here have the plus b equal to, right side change into minus b. 0 minus, suppose 0 minus 4 equal to, what is the answer? Minus 4. Any number minus 0, you get it the same answer only. So here answer is minus b. Ax equal to minus b. Ax meaning is, what is the meaning? A into x into change into the division. So change into minus b by a. Now x value equal to minus b by a is the first filling the blanks answer. Second filling the blanks, if a and b are positive integer, then the solution of the equation ax plus b has to be always dash. Positive integer, all the one is positive only answer. Next question, 1/6 of a number when subtracted from a number itself gives 25. The number is dash. 1/6 meaning is, how to they write? 1/6. Of meaning is into. OF of meaning is multiplication. A number is don't know, you want to select in x. A to z, any variable also you write it in small number. When subtracted from a number is, what is a number? X. Subtracted for symbol is what symbol? Minus. So how to there you write x from only you started. So x minus 1/6 x equal to, it gives answer equal to 25. This is the statement you want to do the work. X minus 1/6 x equal to 25. Here a fraction number, before number for not to have the fraction for, you write in x by 1. Now 1 and 6 is different number. You take in LCM. LCM easy method is cross multiplication. 1 6 is a 6. 6 into x, 6x. In between symbol is minus. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Here have the x, you write in x. By 6 equal to 25. Now by left side change into the right side, you write in into symbol. So 6x minus 1x equal to 6 into 25. So 6x minus 1x equal to 5x equal to 150. Multiply and write in the get the answer equal to 150. X equal to 150 divided by 5. 1 5 is 5. 3 5s are 15. X are 1 0. The write in 30. X equal to 30. Now here y writing by here. Here in between symbol is into change into the division. So x value equal to 30. So third filling the blanks answer is 30. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2x, 2 is to 3 is to 4, then the difference between the greatest and the smallest angle is dash. Angle, triangle, angles of a triangles, what is the answer? 180 degree. Angle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. They are given in 3 numbers, 2 3 4. So you write in the sum of the angles of the triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here given in 2x. First one is what the writer? 2 into x, 2x, 3x, 4x. First angle 2x, second angle is 3x, third angle is 4x. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 180 degree. Why here want to add there? Some meaning is add the number. So 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 9 into x. So into change into the division for 180 divided by 9. 1 9 is 9, 2 9. Set 18, here have the extra 1 0 for 18 20. So degree for x equal to 20 degree. First one is, what is the value? 2x. Second angle is 3x. Third angle is 4x. So 2 into x for x value equal to 20, 2 into 20, multiply and get the answer equal to 40. 3 into 20 equal to 60, 4 into 20 equal to 80 degree. Smallest angle is what is the answer? 40 degree. So must write in degree. Degree not right means answer is wrong there. Angle for must need in the degree. In an equation a plus b equal to 23, the value of a is 14, then the value of b is dash. A value equal to what is the value of 14? So a straightly you write in 14 plus b equal to 23. Therefore b equal to 23 minus plus 14 equal to after change into the right side minus 23 minus 14 equal to what is the answer? 9. Now b value is what is the value? 9 is the answer. True or false? Sum of a number and 2 times that the number is 48 can be written as y plus 2y equal to 48. This is correct or not? The sum meaning is add. Which one want to add? A number. A number for question form they are selecting in y. So y, number underline and write in y. 2 times meaning is 2 times for into the number for write in y. So 2y plus 2y. And for use the symbol is plus y, sum meaning is addition. Y plus 2y equal to 48. Now here is for you write in equal to 48. Y plus 2y equal to 48. Given the statement is correct, you write in true. First one for true is the answer. Second one 5 into, how do they read? 5 into 3x plus 2 equal to 3 into 5x minus 7. 5x minus 7. Multiple the number 3 5s are 15x. Next symbol is plus 5 2s are 10 equal to, here 3 5s are 15x minus 3 7s are 21. See, two left side and right side for symbol is equal to. Here 15x is there. Okay, 15x for here have in 15x, here have plus 10, there have in minus 21. Answer is wrong. So this question for answer is false. X equal to 25 is the solution of 1/3 of a number is less than 10 the original number. 1/3 of the 10 less than 10 for original number is 25. This is wrong. So the third one for answer also false only. Next, start the statement sums. Third one number is 7 times another. If their number is 18, find the number. One number, which number? Don't know. 7 times another, that another one number also don't know. How do they want to do the sums? First question, one number is 7 times another. If their difference is 18, find the numbers. Let the numbers, first number, one number be take x, another number be y. Select any number also, a to z, whatever in letters there have, you write in small letter, that is the variable. Now I have select here one number is x, another one number is b y. Given the question, you write it here. One number is 7 times another and their difference is 18. Here given have in 2 steps. One number is 7 times another. First step. So step 1, one number is x. One number x is for use the symbol is equal to 7 times another number for 7 into y. So first step, x equal to 7 into y, x equal to 7 into y equal to 7y. First step is completed. Second step, and their difference. Which number difference? Give you our selected number x and y difference. Difference meaning is minus. X minus y equal to x. Difference for minus symbol. Which one difference? X and y difference equal to is equal to 18. Second step equal to x minus y equal to 18. Now step 3. X minus y equal to 18 you write. X value equal to 7y, substitute here. X value for you substitute in 7y here. See, x equal to 7y minus y equal to 18. Y you write in 1y. 7 minus 1 equal to 6y. 6y equal to 18. Y equal to x 6 into y only here have. So into change into the divide, 18 by 6 equal to 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18. Y equal to 3 is the answer. Now y value equal to 3. This y value you want to substitute here. First steps for you substitute. X equal to 7y. X equal to 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Now x value equal to 21. Y value equal to 3. This answer is correct or not, want to check. How do they check? Second step for what is the step? And the difference equal to 18. So x minus y equal to 18, x value equal to 21, y value equal to 3. 21 minus 3 equal to 18. So question answer is correct. 2 also now correct. So if you need means write it. This is no need means leave it that one. The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 75. Which is the largest among them? The sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. What is the meaning of consecutive number? Next number. How? Now 1. Next number is, what is the number? 2. Next number is 3. Now here given in odd number for you write in 1, 3, 5, etc. This is numbers and all. What is the number? Odd numbers. Odd number, first number is, now you know, now this number for what is the number? Don't know for, you want write in first number be x. Second number equal to 1 to which number add and get the answer equal to 3, 2. So here x means x plus 2, you get it, the answer is the second number. Third number equal to x plus 4. So these 3 numbers add and get the answer equal to 75. Which 3 numbers? First number x, second number x plus 2, third number x plus 4, you get it, the answer equal to 75. 1x, 2x, 3x, 3x plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Here only doing the work, still not go the right side. So as usual, what is the symbol is there? How you write it there? Equal to 75. 3x plus 6 equal to right side change into the minus. 75 minus 6. 3x equal to 69. Into symbol change into the divide. X equal to 69 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Now x value equal to 23. So first number x equal to 23. Second number x plus 2. X value equal to, what is the answer? 23 plus 2. 23 plus 2 equal to 25. Third number x plus 4 equal to 23 plus 4 equal to 27. So x value equal to, first what is the value you want to substitute and write. So the largest number, the first 3 consecutive odd numbers, first number is, what is the number? 23, second number 25, third number 27. They are asking question, largest number is which number? 27 is the largest number. The length of a rectangle is 1/3 of its breadth. Find its perimeter is 64. Then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Length equal to, first letter L for you write in L. Breadth equal to, what is the right? B for you write in B. Length of the rectangle is 1/3 of its breadth is there given. So length of the rectangle, sir, for L equal to 1/3 for you write in 1/3. Breadth equal to into B. L equal to 1 into B equal to 1B is B by 3. Cross multiplication, division, this symbol change into the cross multiplication. 3 into L equal to B. Therefore 3 into L equal to 3L, B equal to 3L. Now what is there asking there? Perimeter of the rectangle is given. See there, perimeter of the rectangle is there given in 64 meter. So the sum for use the formula equal to perimeter of the rectangle formula only must use here. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B units. Perimeter of the rectangle value equal to, what is there given? 64. So write here. Next symbol is equal to 2 into L plus B. 64 equal to 2 into L plus, here B value equal to, what is the value? 3L. This value there you want to substitute. So B for you substitute that value equal to 3L. 1L plus 3L equal to, here 1L plus 3L equal to 4L. 64 equal to 3 into 4L. Now here into symbol only. So this into change into the multiplication, division. So 2 into 4L equal to 64, change and write. 2 want to write in the division. 4L equal to 64 divided by 2. 2 into only there have this into symbol change into the division. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Now 4L equal to 32. Now 4 into L, in between symbol is what symbol? Into change into the division. L equal to 32 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 8 4s are 32. Now L value equal to 8 meters. Symbol is, unit is very very important. Now B equal to 3 into L. Units, B equal to 3 into L. So 3 into L units for 3 into 8. B equal to 23 8s are 24 meter. L value equal to 8 meter. B value equal to 24 meter. Now here this two number you multiple. Next question, a total of 90 currency notes consisting only of rupees 5 and rupees 10 denominations amount to rupees 500. Find the number of notes in each denominations. Rupees x 5b you take in x, rupees 10b y. 5 rupees note want to take in x, 10 rupees note want to take in y. First step, a total of 90 currency note. These two numbers add and get the answer equal to 90. 5 rupees note plus 10 rupees note, you add and get the answer equal to 90. Total meaning is add the number. Which one want to add? The currency note. Which one is currency note? There 5 rupees note and 10 rupees note. So x plus y equal to 90 is the first step. Second step, value of 5 rupees note is 5. 5 into x equal to 5x. 5 currency note for what the right? X. 5 for rupees note is how much note is there? 1 2 3 no 4 5. 5 note is 5 rupees note. So 5 into x equal to 5x. 10 rupees note is 10. 10 rupees note for 10 into y equal to 10y. Here total of this currency equal to, now first step as usual that taking in x plus y equal to 90. Here multiple get the answer equal to what is the answer? 5x 10y. Total for use the symbol is 10. 5x plus 10y equal to, they are given in total value equal to what rupees is there given? 500. So 500 you write. Step 1 for what is the answer? X plus y equal to 90. Now this one how to I am write? See there. Step 1 is what is the answer? X plus y equal to 90. Now x equal to 90. This plus y right side change into minus 90 minus y. Step 2 is what is the answer is there coming? 5x plus 10y equal to 500. This one first you write. Step 2, 5x plus 10y equal to 500. Now this x instead of you substitute that value equal to 90 minus y. So 5 into start the bracket, x value equal to 90 minus y. X value equal to 90 minus y plus 10y equal to 500. Two number you multiple. 5 into 90 equal to 450 minus 5 into minus symbol right after 5 into y equal to 5y. Remove the bracket plus 10y equal to 500. 450 equal to 10y minus 5y equal to 10 minus 5. In between symbol is plus, means you should not add. Why? Here minus value, here plus value. You must subtract the number. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Greater number symbol is 10. So you write in plus 5y equal to 500. 450 plus 5y equal to 500. 5y equal to 500. This plus 450 equal to right side change into minus 450. 5y equal to 50. Two number minus and get the answer equal to 50. Y equal to 50 by 5. 1 5 is 5. 10 5 are 50. Now y value equal to what is the value? 10. This value you want to substitute here. X equal to 90 minus y is the writing. No, this equation for you want to substitute y value equal to 10. There you substitute. X equal to 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10 equal to 80. Now x equal to 80. Y equal to 10 rupees. So what is the answer? Is final answer. 5 rupee note is 80 note is there have. 10 rupees note is 10 rupees is there have. So your 5 rupees note equal to 8 numbers. 10 rupees note equal to 10 number is there have. your answer is correct or not, want to check. How to they check? First question from what they write, x plus y equal to 90 you writing, no, there you write x value equal to 80, y value equal to 10. 80 plus 10 equal to 90. They are given in the total number of the currency also. What is there given? 90. So 90 equal answer. Your answer is correct there. Next question. At present, Tenmoli's age is 5 years more than that of Murali's age. 5 years ago, the age ratio of Tenmoli's age to Murali's age was 3:2. Find their percentage. Find their percentage. See there, now we take Tenmoli age be don't know. Murali age also don't know. So Tenmoli age be T you write. Tenmoli letter first letter T for you write in T. Murali's age be M. So write in small letter M. Should not write in the capital letter. First step is what is that given? Tenmoli's age is 5 years more than Murali. So write it the question first here. Tenmoli age equal to T. Is using the symbol is equal to 5 years, 5. More than for use the symbol is plus. Murali's age equal to M. This is the first step. Second step, 5 years ago. 5 years ago for using the plus symbol or minus symbol only must use. Tenmoli age would be T minus 5. 5 years ago for Tenmoli age is what is the age? T minus 5. Murali's age would be M minus 5. Ratio for one right. Why one right in here ratio? Ratio here 3:2 is there given. So here Tenmoli age and Murali age also write in the ratio form. First Tenmoli age T minus 5 is to M minus 5. Fraction form T minus 5 divided by M minus 5. Their age ratio is there given in 3:2. Fraction form how to they write? 3/2. Now here given in this ratio and this ratio want to compare that. T minus 5, M minus 5 equal to 3/2. Do in the cross multiplication. Here have the 2 multiple there. 3 in here you want to multiply M minus 5. So start the bracket. 2 into T minus 5 equal to 3 into M minus 5. Now T value equal to first step writing no Tenmoli age T equal to 5 plus M. This 5 plus M you want to substitute here. T instead of you want to substitute in T equal to 5 plus M. 5 plus M you want to substitute. 2 into start the bracket. T value equal to 5 plus M. Here question from there have the minus 5 you write equal to 3 into M equal to 3M minus 3 5s are 15. Now 2 into, see here, plus 5 minus 5 you cancel. 5 minus 5 equal to 0 for you cancel the number. 2 bracket is which one is extra there have M equal to 3M minus 15. 2 into M equal to 2M equal to 3M minus 15. 2M plus 3M equal to left side change into minus symbol. 2M minus 3M equal to minus 15. Here 2M, there 3M. So subtract the number. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. 3 is the greater number. Nearby symbol is minus. Minus 1M equal to 15. Minus into minus plus M equal to 15. Now M is denoted in Murali's age. Murali's age equal to M equal to 15. Now Tenmoli age equal to T equal to 5 plus M. 5 plus 15 equal to 20. Tenmoli age equal to 20. Murali's age equal to 15. Eighth question. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9 if 27 is subtracted from the original number. Its digits are interchanged. Find the original number. 2-digit number. Ones place, tens place, ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 digit for you write in unit place. Another one is tens place. Unit place for you write in U. Tens place for you write in small letter T. Now sum of the digits. What is the step 1 is, what is the step? Sum of the digits. These two number add. Get it, the answer is 9. So t plus u equal to 9. T equal to plus u, change into right side, change into minus, 9 minus u. Okay, next 10th place for using the symbol is 10t you write. 10th place you write in 10t plus u equal to 9. Now, if 27 is subtracted from the original numbers, the digits are interchanged. 27 subtracted minus from the original number, the digits are interchanged. First original number to minus in 27. Okay, next interchanged after what the write? Units place you write in, tens place write in unit place write in 10 you want to write. So see, listen very carefully. Here have the 10t plus u first you write. Subtracted for minus 27. This is clear, no? 10t plus u. 10t plus u minus 27 equal to interchanged for what is the meaning? Unit place. 10 here 10t plus u is there have. So t for u write in u, u for write in v. So 10u plus v t u write over the work. Next 10t you write. Here have that plus t you have, the left side change into the minus t. 10t minus t equal to 1t is here have 9t minus my plus u. Next 10u also they are coming. So minus 10u minus 27 change into the plus 27. So here 1u. 10u minus 1u equal to minus 9u equal to 27. This all the number is divided by ninth table. Ninth table for you divide in 9, 9, 9. All the number you want to multiple. Cancel the number, cancel the number. 1 9 is 9, 3 9s are 27. What is the remaining is there? How t minus u equal to 3. T minus u equal to 3. Now t value equal to what is the value? 9 minus u. See there. T equal to 9 minus u. This value to you write in 9 minus u. T instead of you substitute that value equal to 9 minus u. There already their question from there having minus u equal to 3. 9 minus 1u minus 1u. 2 also minus symbol. So add the number. 1u minus 1u. 2 also minus symbol. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. You put in minus symbol. You should not subtract that. 9 minus 2u equal to 3. Minus 2u the right. Plus 9 change into the right side minus 9. Minus 2u equal to, this one you want to subtract the number. 9 minus 3 equal to minus 6. Minus 2u equal to minus 6. U equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Now u value equal to 3. T equal to 9 minus u. T equal to 9 minus u value equal to 3. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Now unit place value equal to 3. 10th place value equal to 6. So 10th place for what the right is 6 tens, 9 3 ones. So 60 plus 3 equal to 63. See there 6 tens for what the right is 60 plus 3 equal to 63 only answer.